Hey there, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a hot topic for all my fellow Brits as we gear up for some much-awaited summer sunshine. It's all about that backyard upgrade we've been craving. You know, the one that turns your garden into a cozy oasis. And guess what? It's not going to break the bank. So, let's dive into this bargain hunter's dream. Imagine kicking back in your garden, sipping on a refreshing drink, and lounging on a stylish sofa set. Well, Asda has heard our prayers and brought back their sold-out Green Tuscany garden sofa set. And the best part? It's a whopping £288. That's right, you get a two-seater sofa, 2 armchairs, and a coffee table for less than the price of a fancy dinner for two. Now, what makes this set a real gem is its design. It's not just your average outdoor furniture. The generously filled oversized cushions and hammock-style design scream comfort. You can practically feel the relaxation just thinking about it. And the contemporary look will give your garden a chic upgrade. It's like having a little slice of Tuscany right in your backyard. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. This set bears a striking resemblance to the Syros metal and fabric garden sofa set from Debenhams, which is currently on sale for £399.99. Originally priced at almost £840, it's still a significant investment. So, if you're on a budget, the Asda set is an absolute steal, offering a similar aesthetic and functionality for a fraction of the price. Personally, I think this is a fantastic example of how you can create a luxurious outdoor space without spending a fortune. It's all about finding those hidden gems that offer both style and comfort. And with the rising cost of living, these affordable alternatives are a godsend. You don't have to compromise on quality or design just because you're budget conscious. What many people don't realize is that these bargain finds often have the same attention to detail as their pricier counterparts. The Asda set, for instance, has a corrosion-resistant steel frame and weather-resistant cushions. These are features you'd expect from high-end outdoor furniture. It's a testament to the fact that you can have your dream garden set up without draining your bank account. This trend of affordable luxury is something I find really exciting. It's about democratizing design and comfort, making it accessible to everyone. And with summer on the horizon, it's the perfect time to snag these deals and transform your garden into a haven. So, will you be racing to Asda to grab this bargain? I know I'm tempted.